Introducing the Niagara Equate matte black concealed shower valve with multi-mode handrail kit and wall-mounted head, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Prepare to elevate your shower experience to a whole new level of luxury and style. With its sleek and modern matte black finish, this shower set adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom decor. Featuring a generous 1.5 meters length hose and a wall-mounted arm, this shower kit offers flexibility and convenience during your daily routine. The slimline round rainfall shower head provides a soothing and invigorating shower experience, while the multi-mode handset allows you to customize your showering preferences. With its triple concealed shower valve and thermostatic cartridge, you can enjoy precise control over water temperature and flow. Safety is our top priority, which is why this valve comes with an automatic shutoff in the event of cold water supply failure, protecting you from scalding. Upgrade your bathroom and experience the perfect blend of functionality, style, and safety in one remarkable package. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Equate showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.